Hello friends, I am Ganesh. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, we are going to learn what is software testing. This question is often asked in the interviews. So let's start. What is software testing? Software testing is the process of executing a program to find the defects. Software testing is done to verify that software is doing what it is intended to do and nothing more or nothing less. Objective of software testing. The main objective of software testing is to find defects as early as possible to get them fixed. Second objective is to identify sources of risk and their impact that can be reduced by testing. Third objective is to reduce identifiable risk that may result in project failure. Goal of software testing. The goal of software testing is to find defects as early as possible and get them fixed. That's all for today's video. We will meet in next video with a new topic. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.